and I'm back at the end of the year, but yeah, this is my beginning-ish start, end of the year. I don't even know if I want to call this Vlogmas at this point because I've like missed the whole month, but we're going to attempt to do vlogs until literally the end of the year. I have made that my regimen and we're going to try and stick to it. So today is my first day of Vlogmas. Okay. I can't even convince myself that that sounds accurately right to what I'm doing. Today, my mom and I are going to go do some last minute Christmas shopping, go buy some food for, I was about to say Thanksgiving, go buy food for Christmas. We also just need food for the house, and I'm going to be doing some extra special shopping. Yeah, but I wanted to take you guys with me. I haven't done this in a long time, so if I seem nervous, because I am. Alrighty. My mom's dropping stuff. I'm going to continue to get ready. I have my little sushi sweatshirt and all ready for the dogs / puppy, and I'm just finished getting ready so I can leave out. And we're trying to do it before it gets crowded. I woke up early. My mom didn't wake up early, so it's setting back some hours. And I'm only running on like 3 hours of sleep. That's great. So anyways, let me finish real quick. Talk about bright. Oh goodness. Alrighty, I'm basically all done. Yeah, so I'm all done. Hair is done. And I can't forget to do this. Okay, so usually around this time every year, I try to dress up to the best of my ability. Does it always pan out correctly? Sometimes, majority of the times. But because of, you know, the circumstances of this day and age, I can't really dress up the way I usually would. I usually would like stick on a whole elf outfit or reindeer outfit in this case, and I would go around the city dressed up, making people smile, seeing the little kids all happy. But you know, this go around we're just gonna have to stick with, is that even? Even-ish. Yes, even-ish. Yeah, sorry. To these circumstances, I'm just gonna wear this out in the street. I'm still gonna dress up, but it's not as, I don't know, it's not gonna be as joyful as I usually try to be. We'll just go for this. Yeah. Anyways, let's go. Man. Alright, so a whole 45 minutes later and we're just getting in the car. Where are we going first?
I don't know. Give me your key.
My key?
I need to go in the house. I need them things. I gotta clean my windows.
Okay.
I can't see.
Well, brief intermission again. Hi, big head! Good, and you? I love lightning. Oh, and by the way, I was not kidding. I found my nose. It's lighting up. I just pushed the button. You just can't see it because of daylight.
After 18 years.
Shut up.
Shut up there. Hello, did you find a spare pair of teeth in stock?
thought you said teeth.
Teeth.
Not her teeth. Not her
Teeth. And they never returned her teeth. By the time they was going to fix her some, she was dead. I'm like, oh, I don't need them. I don't think she got any use for them now. But it was teethus.
This is exactly why I stopped talking to her at a certain point.
Mama's teeth was missing.
We're here. H Mart. Okay, so we're going to leave because they are crowded. And completely crowded. Enough where there's lines and we cannot get inside. So, next place. Alrighty. This is a lot more. This is, I feel like I'm choking from this. This is turning into more of a joyride. So we couldn't go to the H Mart. I mean, we could, but we're not. It's cold outside, and it was like both between the H Mart and before I get copyrighted, oopsies. And it's a Saturday. We'll maybe attempt to come back out on a weekday. Anyways, so yeah, right now we're starving because we don't eat but like once or twice a day, which is terrible. I know. She is getting us a sandwich from this Italian sub shop. That's it. And I'm extremely tired. Once again, I'm running off 3 hours of sleep, and I'm making little to no progress today with what we need to get done. Saturday. Yay!
Casa de Dios.
She got an Italian, but we're both eating a piece of steak and cheese right now.
Oh, I would love to go in there and play.
It's very good.
Oh no, I would like to be right there. I didn't know they had a billiards place up here. I miss you, Pooh.
Detour number, I don't know. Yeah, we're at a pet store. Wasn't really in the books, but this is most likely the only store we're going to today. So here we go.
Yeah, I'm coming on that side.
Okay. Mask on, so we can stay safe. Meow. Go, mama, go. Go. Hello.
I'm out of breath from pushing you up.
Oh, look at the Halloween clothes. Do you want to get him some Halloween stuff now?
I do think that this would fit him. Because this is like pretty close.
That one?
I mean, it's like an inch away, but it's not as much.
We got these pretty colors for her. This would be really pretty on her. Don't mind the mascara mark on me. Oh, that little thing?
That little thing, but she didn't like it all.
That's true.
This is what I wanted to get her.
I might have to go online and order me some just in case I can't make it back up.
I'm smiling underneath of here.
You're smiling? You
Yeah.
can smile with your eyes.
I don't know how to smile. Leave that Tyra Banks. You just look boggle-eyed.
I look bobble-eyed. I'm supposed to be smiling with my eyes. Shut up there. There's something else I can get that fire there.
A laser printer?
No, it's not laser printer. That's engraving. We got an engraver at the house here. They're on sale of it.
Hey, Mama. Say hi to people.
Hi, people.
All right, hey, people. We done? It's coming. Haha! That's so cute.
Say thank you.
Alrighty. I got it. I'm good.
the glove, you saw?
Yeah.
That's the glove.
Oh, damn it.
Excuse me.
I'm positive. I'm positive.
All right. Ooh, look how pretty outside. And now I'm a flashing reindeer. She admires the grass. The grass is greener on the other side. This is what we want today, which means most likely we're not going to go out until Monday or Tuesday. Hopefully Monday because I got some stuff I got to grab. But yeah, we're back home. Didn't get much to anything really done today other than shop for the puppy. I'm going to... Hi, Ginger. Hello. I'm about to go check on my dog. She wants attention. I have some stuff I have to do later on. I'm going to, of course, edit this and try to get it posted tonight. There's always a first time for everything because I don't think I've ever edited anything and tried to post it the same day. That's basically going to be it for today. Thank you for tuning in. And until next time, there I go. Bye.